Alright, welcome back to another G Auto Repair YouTube video, and today we're going to be replacing an ignition coil on this 2006 Dodge Caravan because we have a misfire in the number one cylinder. Now, I've already done the troubleshooting. This is going to be a little bit different video. It's just pretty much going to show you how to replace this ignition coil. It's not a big job or anything like that, so I won't be talking a whole lot. So it's going to be kind of a different approach than what I normally do. So just sit back, and if you have to replace one of these bad boys, just pay attention, and I'll show you exactly how to replace this ignition coil. So sit back and enjoy the video. So that was it. That's all it took to replace this ignition coil. And just make sure whenever you put everything back, don't cross the wires. Make sure they go where they're supposed to go. And now we're just gonna verify operation. Like I said, this vehicle had a misfire. So that's why we're replacing the ignition coil. And as you can see, she is smooth now. So the ignition coil is working as it should. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Ciao.